King of glory, Lion of the tribe of Judah, Ebube Dike N'Agha, the mighty man of war. We lift your name above every battle. Fight for us today, Lord. When the enemy rises like a flood, you are the banner over me. When darkness covers all around, your light will always shine. Mbegu jidere obi m, igwara m atụla egwu, n'ihi na ị nọ ebe a, ị gaghị ahapụ m. Mountains may stand before me, but they will bow at your voice. Every chain must break when you speak one word. You have never lost a battle, you will never lose one now. I'm standing in your victory. Ebube Dike N'Agha, mighty man of war, fight my battles. I surrender all to you. Ebube Dike N'Agha, Lion of Judah, roar. Every mountain must come down at the mention of your name. Agune Chemche, you're my shield and defender. Forever you reign. You broke the walls of Jericho. You silenced every giant. The Red Sea saw your power and made a way. He had madu boro impossible. Now possible na kagi. Every closed door opens when you command. You are my refuge, my strong tower. Nothing can stand against your power. Who is like our God? Nobody. Who can stand before the King? Some trust in chariots, some trust in horses, but we trust in the name of the Lord. Eze ndị eze, onye pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye dịka gị. There is no one like you. I've searched all over, I've looked around, from the rising of the sun to the going down. I've never seen, I've never known a God so faithful, a king on the throne. Ebem gara, ebem huru, odi onye dịka gị. Ibu malite, Ibu ọgwụgwụ. Forever you remain the same. You are holy, you are worthy. Angels bow before you. Saints adore you, Heaven sings, earth responds. All creation calls you Lord. Onye dịka gị. There is no one like you. Onye dịka gị. None can compare with you. Receive all the glory. Receive all the praise. From generation to generation, you forever reign. Onye dịka gị. When you speak, the blind can see. When you move, chains are broken. At the sound of your mighty name, every knee must bow. Ụwa niile na-ekwupụta na Ibu eze kachasị elu. Ebube gị jupụtara n'eluigwe na ụwa. You are Alpha, you are Omega, beginning and the end. You're my provider, you're my healer, you're my shepherd, you're my king. Odi onye dịka gị. Never has been, never will be. Who is like our God? Nobody. Who deserves the glory? Jesus. Who reigns forever? Jesus. What shall we call him? Onye dịka gị. 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 Eze ndị eze. Receive our praise. Onye dịka gị. Onye dịka